activities. In 80 marks, English categorized to the three sections. Section A, that is a reading section of 20 marks. Section B, that includes the grammar and writing, that is a 30 marks. And section C, literature, that is also of 30 marks. So that total written paper of English is that of 80 marks and 20 marks other activities. In 80 marks, first of all we shall go to the grammar section, that is the section B. In grammar, the first chapter is the determiner. What is a determiner? That we shall try to understand. We have a lot confusion about the determiner. We will find that some of the English words picked out and generally expressed they are determiner. No, we have to understand origin point of the determiner. What does determiner do? And what the function supposed to be in English, that we have to consider. Here determiner generally used to come before the noun and it fixes the noun at certain level, so that the behavior of determiner almost the like behavior of adjective. Therefore it is a very clear determiner is a part of adjective, but we have to categorize that entire adjective cannot be taken under the category of determiner. Certain part of adjective discriminated and taken out from the part of adjective as a determiner. But which part of adjective can be taken out of adjective as a determiner? There is a certain behavior that must be fixed out and then after taken out from the adjective. So what does the adjective does? First we have to understand, and then after we have to discriminate the determiner from adjective. Determiner and adjective has minor discrimination. What are those minor descriptions? And we have to understand. First differences, or we cannot say the difference, contrast between the adjective and determiner. So first we come to the definition of determiner. Determine means to fix. That means determiner is almost a fixer. Fixer of whom? Fixer of noun. Determiner is a fixer of noun. But what kind of the fixing that it does? Determiner fixes the noun at certain level. So definition of determiner is determiner fixes the noun at certain level. Then what does adjective does? We have to contrast between. Adjective qualifies the noun, but determiner fixes the noun. As for example, if I say good girl, here girl is a good, but we cannot fix that girl is a good. How much good? We don't have any instrument, we don't have any scale, we don't have any method to measure the goodness of girl. We cannot say the girl is a good 10%, 10 liter, 10 centimeter, 10 Kelvin, 10 Fahrenheit. We cannot say. We don't have any such instrument to say that how much good that girl is. But here we write here the 10 girls. 10 girls. It is very clear the number of girls is fixed to 10. This number is never going to be 9. This number is never going to be 11. So this particular 10 being the part of adjective, but it is responsible to fix the noun. Therefore this 10 is determiner. So it is very clear the part of adjective that fixes the noun, not qualifies the noun. There is a difference between the qualifying the noun and fixing the noun. Adjective qualifies the noun, and when qualifies, it doesn't give any level. If I say a smart boy, how much that boy is smart that we cannot say. Only we can say a smart boy, a smart man. But how much smart that man is, we don't have any scale to measure. But we say many students. Of course, number of students is expected to be. So determiner has a scale to measure, but determine adjective doesn't have the such method to determine. Therefore, at first we have to discriminate between the adjective and determiner, because it is a part of adjective, and unless we shall not have any method to discriminate the determiner from adjective, it cannot be differences. So therefore, we should have some discrimination between adjective and determiner. Here I will give you the some of the discriminations. between the adjective and determine. Determiners. Adjective. Difference number one. It fixes the noun. Adjective, it only qualifies the noun. I already have given the example. 10 boys. Good boy. Very clear. Here 10 fixes the noun. But here good only takes the goodness of boy but doesn't tell the limit. Second difference between the adjective and determiner we shall establish. Degree. Adjective follows the rule of degree, such as good, better, best. But we cannot say that 10, 10 or 10est. So part of adjective that do not follow the degree termed as determiner. That means adjective doesn't follow the degree and follow the degree and follow the degrees. As for example, we cannot write 10, 10 or 10est, but we can write the good, better, best. So we have to discriminate the determiner from the adjective or entire adjective. Therefore, the third difference we can write: all determiners are adjective because determiners are taken from the category of adjective, but all adjectives are not determiner. So all determiners are adjective, but all adjectives are not determiners. So we have to discriminate one by one. It fixes the noun at certain level, number one, but adjective doesn't fix. It qualifies the noun. Second difference we can see: all adjectives follow the rule of degree: good, better, best, rich, richer, richest. But here some of the adjectives, those are not agree to follow the rule of degree termed as determiner. As for example, many. We cannot write many, many or manyest. We cannot write much, much or muchest. No. So determiner doesn't follow the rule of degree. And the third difference, as we know that the determiner taken from the category of adjective, therefore all determiners are adjective, but all adjectives are not determiner. Now the fourth difference: at a time one or more determiner can be used. As for example, that means one or more minors can be used at a time, but only one adjective can be used. That means adjective cannot be used more than one at a time. but determiner can be used one or more in number at a time without the help of any connector or without the help of anything. As for example, all the 10 boys are absent. All the 10 boys are absent. Here in this example you can see all is a number 1 determiner, the is a number 2 determiner, 10 is a number 3rd determiner. So here you can see for only the noun boy we have used 3 number of determiner without the help of any connector even comma, but we can write only good boy. We cannot write the good smart boy. If I want to write the good and a smart boy, that means good and a smart, but we cannot write good smart boy. Here you can see without any comma, without any connector, 3 number of determiners are together. But here only one adjective is entitled to come before noun. And if we want to use another adjective for the same noun, then we need connector. As for example, good and a smart boy. So here you can see we needed to use 2 adjectives, then we have to use the connector also. So without any help, only one adjective can be used before the noun, not the more than one. But here, in case of determiner, without any help, there is no even comma at all. Forget about the connector. 3 number of the determiner have come before the noun boys. Now the difference number 5. Difference number 5. Adjective and determiner. A determiner always controls over the syntax, but adjective doesn't control the syntax. That means it controls the syntax of the sentence. It doesn't control the syntax of sentence. As for example, if I write 10 board rock, because it is a determiner. So determiner comes, it tells that a noun supposed to be according to me. So we have to write 10 boys, not the 10 boy. Once we have written the 10 boys, we have to write the plural verb. As for example, 10 boys are or 10 boys had, not the 10 boys has, not 10 boy is. So determiner strongly controls the syntax of the sentence. But adjective, if you write good boy or you write good boys, adjective doesn't have to take any tension about the boy or boys. Let the boy or boys, it doesn't make any difference. The adjective doesn't make any difference, but where the determiner makes a lot difference to that noun or the syntax of the sentence. So the adjective doesn't keep the more significance for the purpose of syntax, whereas determiner is strongly recommended for the syntax of the sentence. Now difference number 6. Just working.